All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So otherwise, something else, otherwise. So otherwise, I might not have had the chance. I went there, otherwise I could have never gotten the chance. We did it, otherwise we might regret not doing it. No. I might otherwise leave early. If things don't happen, I'll leave early otherwise. If things don't happen, I will leave early otherwise. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He could have helped me, but he was otherwise busy. They could have helped me, but they were otherwise busy. Yeah. Things were different back then. Otherwise, they would have done something at the time. Yeah. How cool is that? I have an idea. I've got an idea. Otherwise, there's nothing we can do. Yeah. If you don't listen to my plan, then otherwise you'll have nothing to do. Nothing to do, yeah. How cool is that? So, we plan to make the statue in bronze, otherwise we will use copper. Yeah, the statue here. We could have used copper, otherwise we would have used bronze. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So otherwise. Now, can you use otherwise in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.